Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can add a upper body animation into the F1 Locomotion system version 4, and this is the final result. So I will split this topic into two parts, and the first part is for adding the animation and the second part is related to the blueprint. So let's get started. I have added two animations. Let's take a look. The first animation is the reload animation, and the second one is the firing animation. These two animation is from Massimo. So first we need to create the animation montage, and then we can add a input action. One is for the fire action, and one is for the reload action. Now we can open our character blueprint and add a player input graph. So now we can add the custom event. And the reload event. So first we can get the main animation instant and play the firing montage. So again, the montage is placed is depend on we can create a function called get fire animation, and this is pure function. So depends on the overlay state, we can return different animation. So for example, if you have a overlay state which is the rocket, it can return the fire animation of the rocket, and maybe you are holding an M4A1 and you can return the firing animation of the specific gun. So this is the application of the overlay state. So in this video, I will use the M4A1. So first we need to add the fire animation variable. So if the overlay state is not equal to the rifle, we simply return nothing. If you don't create a return looked for other overlay state, it will have some bug. So we can simply duplicate this function and for the reload function. Okay, now we have set up the character blueprint. So let's take a look. You can see nothing is happened because there's no value in the animation montage. We can take a look for the firing animation. We can, because this time we only want the upper body movement and we don't want the montage to affect other body parts, so we can simply change the slot to the, well, I can show you. You can change the slot to the layering arm left and also duplicate this slot and change it to the arm right. And you can see our arm is taking effect. But the problem is if we do something like this, we cannot, when we are fired, our arm position will switch to the position of the montage. So this is not good. For this animation, I think we can achieve a better result if we change the slot to the layering override group for the body part and the head. So you can see. So only by changing the slot of the animation montage, we can play the animation while we are walking or running. For example, you can see we can firing and we can running at the same time. So now for the reload animations, we can do the same thing. And this time, because we don't need to change the hand aiming position, so we can simply add the arm left override good and the arm right. Arm left and arm right, and we can take a look. Now we can see because of the overlay pose of this we can see the hand IK of the left hand is enabled. So the hand is stuck to the weapon, and we don't want the hand IK to be enabled when we are reloading. And there's one way to fix it. So open our reloading montage, and under the notifiers, we can add a notifier state called overlay override notifier state. So if we add a new override state, is starting from number 4. So we can take a look at the animation blueprint. Under the animation graph overlay layer and open it, we can see here's one node called blend post by integer, and for the 0 to 3 override state, it already used it for example the land roll pose and the getter pose. So if you add your own override state, it starts from number 4. So from here we can add a new pin. And in this video, I'm simply copy the original overlay state and modify its curve. I'm going to modify the enable hand IK left to 0 and add it in the band pose 4. So depend on your need, you can modify different curve value under the modifier curve here. And remember to add the notify state to switch the override state in the animation montage. Okay, let's take a look. And now you can see our upper body animation is working. And you can reload your weapon when you are running or working. Even jumping. So in the part 2 of this topic, I will show you how you can continue firing and also add the number of ammo so it will reload when the ammo is equal to 0. Also, we will add a line tracing for when you are firing the weapon. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.